Hello, I just wanted to show you, this is what will be the driveway, Miss Catherine. We cleaned up a whole bunch of junk. There was a big bunch of wood right there, long pieces of wood. We cut all those up yesterday when we cut the big poplar. We had to cut a maple, a beautiful maple, it's a shame, on the far corner where our bedroom will be. Because it was in the way of doing the ditch, and it probably would have died anyways. This is all the wood we cut up that I have to split, and then this is the big pieces of the poplar. We chipped all the branches this morning. That pile behind the brush pile there is the chips. Had a lot of branches to make those few chips, but we can always use chips. And I wanted to show you over here. We put all the equipment, all four pieces that we leave here. What am I trying to say? Bush hog, the wench, and I'll come over here. Chipper, which I may throw an old top over this side of it because the snow's going to blow in. And then this is the box blade, which is all metal. So we put this on the end only because if it gets snow on it, it'll be fine. I don't think it's going to get much snow under there. All these right here, these are 12-foot 2x4 spruce. We put those on today, and put a rivet every place. So we had that bad storm the other night, and there was only one rivet in each post, pressure treated post. So it didn't rip then, but this is just to make darn sure it lasts all winter. So we're cleaning up the place pretty good. I've got to recover the wood out there that the tops all broke. And then we've got to, down in the back of the old house, we have to restack. That's a big project for tomorrow. There's a lot of wood to stack there. So, yeah, we're pretty tired. Tomorrow we're also going to take this old wood here, and some of it's on the ground there. I want to sweep them off and put them up on top of the platform to make sure that the top stays secure.